guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ayushi Das, and if you are new in here, then hi. I make some fashion, skincare and makeup content right here on YouTube and also some weekend vlogs. So if that interests you, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have a weekly routine in my life where I do my skincare and hair care, and as you know, I make a lot of videos on makeup and skincare and also fashion, so I have to do a lot of skincare and also my hair styling. So I don't do a lot of hair styling, but yeah, some heat is absorbed by my hair through यहाँ पे थोड़े बालों को straight करना पड़ जाता है and all of that. So yeah, keeping that in mind, I have a hair care routine where I take care of my hair and also deep condition it and also repair it. And I have a skincare routine where I repair my skin a lot, take care of it, pamper it. So I thought of why not share it with you guys, because you love my skincare videos. So here I am sharing my hair care and skincare routine. So without any further chit chat, let's get into the video.
Now let's make the hair mask first. For that I am taking some coconut powder, adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil would work, and then mix it up. Add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil. Now mix them up. I forgot to add in here. Also add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to make it a paste. Now detangle your hair as I am doing it. Just do it very gently, just like this. I had a lot of tangles on my hair, guys. Okay, so now that my hair is detangled, now I'm gonna start applying the mask. Just partition your hair and apply the mask. Now this mask will ensure that your hair is well nourished and well conditioned, because it is going to nourish your roots and ends as well. So you will be sorted for the week. And also it reduces your hair fall and hair drying issues. Mainly it focuses on hair drying. And in this monsoon season our hair gets dry and frizzy. So it will control all the problems, and since we have added tea tree oil, it will also control the dandruff. So I have applied it all over my hair right now. Now let's move on to the face. For the face wash I am taking simple refreshing facial wash. Now I'll take some of it and massage it for 5 minutes on my face. Just make sure you take any mild face wash that doesn't contain any sulfate or parabens, because we have to massage it for 5 minutes on our face. This facial wash is soap free, so it will not dry out my skin.
Hi guys, so I'm checking in after an hour or so. I kept the hair mask for about 45 minutes, took my bath, and I'll soon show you the products I used. I'll soon show you the products I used in the shower, and yeah, and then we will proceed to our other steps of the spa routine.
I used a body scrub by Plum. This is their cherry variant. And then Hawaiian Roomba body wash, the same range body oil, because I need the fragrance, and shampoo by L'Oreal. This is their basic shampoo, and instead of conditioner I used a hair mask.
So now I am done with my shower routine. I'll go for the face exfoliation. I do chemical exfoliation once a week to keep my skin clear, and also it helps me from getting any pimples or blackheads or whiteheads. So for the chemical exfoliation I use this one by Minimalist. I'm loving this chemical exfoliation, to be very honest, because it gives me a subtle glow on my face, and also it keeps the blackheads, whiteheads or any pimples, you know, at bay. So I love this, and I'll show you how this product looks. This is how it looks. So now I'm gonna use it and show you how this actually works and how my skin glows after using this. So yeah, I've already washed my face at this point of time. Now to keep my hair out of my way, I had put on a hair band, and now I have washed my face while I was taking the shower, and I have also pad dried my face really well, so there is no water on my face actually, and you can see it is really dry right now. So yeah, now I'll start using the serum. So I'll take 2 drops here, 2 drops here, 2 drops, and 1 drop on the chin. Now you don't have to rub this on your face, just like this. Don't forget the neck. And yeah, you can avoid the eye area and the lip area. So now I'll keep it for 10 minutes, then wash it off, and then we'll go further with the other steps. Keep one thing in mind, that if you have a sensitive skin, then please don't use chemical exfoliation more than once a week, because it may over exfoliate your skin and you may face some problems right there. So keep in mind to use it once a week, and if your skin can tolerate it, then you can use twice a week. I would prefer to use it once a week, because I'm not really sure that my skin can tolerate it or not, and I cannot take a chance with it. So yeah, now I washed my face after 15 minutes of applying the chemical exfoliator, and now I'm gonna show my face on zoom so you can see the glow right here. And it's already evening, so I'm not applying any SPF for now, but I'll also not apply any serum, because currently I'm using salicylic acid serum from Minimalist, and it is also exfoliating on your skin. While it also controls your acne and oil, it is also a little bit exfoliating for your skin. So I'll not use any exfoliation products right now. I'll only use a moisturizer, that is by Pond's. This is the moisturizer, Pond's Super Light Gel. So let me use it. I'll use a lip balm. This is by Blue Heaven. You can also exfoliate your lips using some DIYs like brown sugar or honey, or also there are a lot of products that are lip exfoliators in the market. You can also use them to exfoliate your lips. I don't feel the need to really exfoliate my lips, so I didn't. Now I'll use a hair serum, since my hair are a little dry and a little wet. It's in the between, so I'll use a hair serum so my hair doesn't get frizzy. So yeah, that was my hair care and skincare routine for the weekend. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also I have my own clothing and accessories brand, that is Stylemazing by Madanshi on Instagram. If you are interested in fashion and accessories, then please don't forget to visit my Instagram page Stylemazing by Madanshi. I'll also link it in the description box below. And yeah, and also I'll link all the products in the description box below so you can check them out. I'll see you next time with a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.